How to create a mirrored floating globe in Photoshop. Using the rulers, find the center point of your image. With the shape tool selected, click in the center point and drag out to create a circle. Press Command and J on Mac to duplicate the base layer and drag to the top. Go to Filter, Distort, Spherize, drag to 100% and select OK. Press Command and T on Mac to select your image and drag in line with the circle below. Hold Option key on Mac and click to create a clipping mask. Hold Command and click on the circle layer to make a selection, then click on the layer above. Go to Filter, Distort and Twirl. Set your angle to 50 and select OK. Back on the circle layer, in the Effects tab, select Inner Glow. Change the blend mode to Overlay and set the opacity to around 50%. Create a new layer, hold Option key on Mac and click to create a clipping mask. Grab the Gradient tool and have all black selected. Drag from the bottom to add a shadow to the bottom of your circle. Change the blend mode to Overlay and repeat the process using white. Create a new layer above the base layer with a soft brush and all black selected. Click to create a shadow below your globe. Position in place. With the background layer selected, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Tilt Shift to add a natural blur to the background. Add any additional blurs, effects and highlights behind your globe, and there you have it. You successfully created a floating mirrored globe in Photoshop. Follow for more tips and tricks like this.